Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn on mail forwarding in your Microsoft Outlook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to forward mail from your Microsoft Outlook email anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have multiple emails, or maybe you're working with different assistants, and maybe you want to go ahead and forward a copy of your business email to your assistants or to other coworkers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and turn on mail forwarding, you want to click on this gear icon here on the top right. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this menu on the left, and you want to click on mail. Once you click there, you're going to see another menu right here, and you want to click on forwarding and IMAP. Okay, once you do that, you want to look down here until you see forwarding. If you don't see this, you're going to need to sign into your Microsoft Outlook email again by clicking the sign in button. After you've signed in, then you should see this. And in order to turn on forwarding, click right here, enable forward. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and type in the email address that you want to forward your Microsoft Outlook email to. All right, once you do that, you want to go ahead and set your email alias. So this is going to be your from address. All right, once you've done that, go ahead and click on. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn on email forwarding in your Microsoft Outlook account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.